Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and we're going to take a look here at the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar spot FX rate, USDCAD, which has been quite volatile in here from last week. The market having this significant sell-off in here, so we saw that come lower in here back on the 4th of December, that was last Wednesday. That was a stronger Canadian dollar, USDCAD, selling off in here critically from a technical perspective through this 131.86, 131.76 support zone in here. And the push down to 131.54 certainly signaling a more negative tone in here. That was back after the Bank of Canada sent a slightly more hawkish tone than previously seen in here. Certainly a shift to slightly more hawkish, talking about slightly more upbeat on the global outlook in here, and that sent the Canadian dollar stronger, a slightly more hawkish tone from the BOC, so USD CAD lower in here. And then through the jobs reports, now remember we had jobs reports from the US and Canada on Friday. Well, the net impact from that was a stronger US dollar, and we saw the US dollar pop higher against various currencies in here, particularly say against the euro, so the dollar was generally higher, but not getting high enough to take back this resistance here at 132.78. That was the impulse point from the Bank of Canada, fading at 132.70, and then over the last 24 hours to begin this week, the market has rolled back lower in here to start this week in here from Monday, and going into Tuesday the threat now lower to challenge Monday's low there at 132.18. We have support in here around the 132.0300 area, and maybe down to this impulse point at 131.68. So a more negative tone still hanging over from that more hawkish tone from the BOC. It was like really more a less dovish tone than hawkish, but less dovish de facto becomes more hawkish in here. So and leaving the risk really back lower in here on a slightly longer term basis through this week, down to and through 131.54 with these the near term targets. Market's going to really have to push back above 132.70, 78 to signal a more positive tone going through mid-December. So this has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for FX Explained. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day. Please do follow us on our YouTube channel, and I'll be back with you soon.